Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace the starter motor on Fiat Ducato. The starter motor in this van is located on the front of the engine. It's located right there. The starter motor is held by 3 bolts which are on the transmission. These are the 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3, one there on top. Before starting to remove the starter motor, first we need to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Next we're going to remove the 3 bolts holding the starter motor, and on the other side we need to remove 2 nuts, one for the solenoid cable and one for the power cable on the starter motor. That's the 3 bolts holding the starter motor removed, and you can see the starter motor is now loose. To make more space to take the starter out, first we need to disconnect this electrical connector and remove that metal plate which is held by 2 bolts. And now we have better access to the starter motor. First we're going to take it out of its place on the transmission, and then we're going to move it a little bit to the side so that we have access to the 2 nuts holding the power cable and the solenoid cable. So the 2 cables are located right there, and one of them is underneath this rubber cover. You can see the nut there we need to remove, and then the other nut for the solenoid cable is behind another plastic cover which is just on the right. Now I'm going to open the cover for the solenoid cable, and that's the nut right there for it. Next I'm going to remove the 2 nuts and take out the cables and take out the starter motor. Once I remove the second nut, I'm going to take out the cable, and that's the starter motor out. Putting back on the starter motor is in the exact reverse procedure. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.